we need in our strategy is first a strong trend, second a volatile market with decent price action, third a strong support and resistance level, fourth weakness in the market momentum when the market is approaching the SNR level, and lastly confirmation part, a reversal signal in the form of candlestick or chart pattern when the market is at SNR. So we have taken the trade. Now let me explain you the setup. So the first thing which we have to look is to follow the trend. In this case, this is a downtrend. If you go by price action, this is the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this is the lower high. So according to the price action, this is a downtrend. The second thing is you need proper price action. Here you can see this is the run, retracement, run, retracement. You can call them pullback also. So there are proper runs and proper pullbacks. So this is a good price action chart, means the volatility is quite good here, and I can see that the volume is sufficient. The third thing is what I did is I draw the resistance trend line, this trend line, and I draw this recent resistance when I found that the market is rejecting this level. So the third thing was to draw recent levels or strong levels. This was a strong trend line, and I draw this particular resistance after watching the market. The fourth thing which happened here is that as the market was approaching towards this resistance trend line, it got weaker and weaker and weaker. The last thing which I waited was the confirmation by the selling side. Here if you look carefully, this is the rejection candle. They shows indecision in the market, and the next candle here it shows rejection from the resistance, and it also broke the recent support level drawn by these dozy, and this is the dozy and this is the spinning top, and they created this recent resistance and recent support. It's been broken by this particular candle, which means that market now should be going down, and that's the reason why I took this trade. So we applied our strategy according to the rules. All the rules were fulfilled in this particular trade. The trend, the price action, the weakness in the market near resistance level, a good recent resistance and a strong trend resistance, and lastly the confirmation part, a good bearish candlestick confirmation by the seller that yes, market now will move in the downward direction, and that is the reason we placed this trade. Now let's wait for the result. So we have won this trade. Let me explain you why I took this trade and the strategy also. So as you can see here, the first rule is to follow the trend, and here as you can see, according to the price action, it was a downtrend and I placed our trade in the direction of the trend. The second thing which we have to follow is to see if the volume is enough or not. If you look at the candlestick size, you can say that yes, the volume is enough and there are enough volatility in the market. The third thing is to draw strong level of support or resistance. In this case, I draw this trend resistance level. And fourth thing is to wait for the market to approach these levels and get weaker. Market when approach this level, it started getting weaker. You can see the weak rejection. So I draw the recent resistance as well to get extra confirmation. As the market gets weaker, the last thing which we wanted is the confirmation by the seller side, and we did exactly here. We get the confirmation at this candle. This candle reverses from the resistance level, and it also broke the recent support created by this spinning top, and as soon as this candle closes, we placed a 5-minute trade and we booked the profit. So that's it.